Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, now everyone look at the board. Which picture is this? Tell me which picture is this? You play with it. What is this? Yes, it's a hockey. It's a hockey. What's the beginning sound of hockey? कौन बताएगा? Ha, ha, hockey. Yes, ha, hockey. Okay students, now tell me which sound is this? Which sound is this? This is h. Which sound is this? H. H. How to write h? Come down and down, go up, make a hump. Come down and down, go up, make a hump. Student, now look at the board. I will tell you how to write h in lines. Which sound is this? H. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines? 4 lines. Start from first line. How to write her? Come down and down, go up, make a hump, turn a little. H. Student, now open your English reader. Look and say. Letter is H, sound is H. H hammer, H hat, H hand, H hockey, H house, H horse. Link the relevant object. H से क्या आता है? Okay. Practice H and H.